Hello friends, I'm back with my new article on my blog, which is retailritesh.com, and this time I have written about an article which has been derived from an insight taken from one of the research done on various startups. One of the key fear which a budding entrepreneur has is the development of his business plan. I have listed out 10 questions as to how you can develop your business plan if you just answer this simple 10 questions. So please have a read of my article on my blog. And one of the things which I have earlier written in one of my article was that you start a business, not a startup. You have to understand the difference between a business and a startup. If you have not read my article, please read it on my blog. And I would like to give or list out few questions which would help you to develop your business plan more effectively. These are simple questions that needs to be answered by the business owner or a startup entrepreneur. These questions are: what are your product or services targeted at? I mean, whatever you are producing or new product or developing a new product, to whom it is targeted at, how much a consumer is going to pay for that product, or how much is a consumer willing to pay for that product. You need to answer it. What are the competition available in the market who are offering a similar kind of a service, and how different are your product or service in line with the competition? How much is your cash burnout ratio, which is the most critical part for running and sustaining a business? What is your customer acquisition cost? And lastly, what would be the frequency of purchase of your service or a product by your target audience? So if you list down and answer these questions, I'm sure you would have a pretty good business plan in your hand. And I wish you all the best in your entrepreneurship venture. And please keep following me on my blog retailritesh.com. Thank you.